This video, I'm going to share with you how to add and create hyperlinks onto your Google slide. I went ahead and created this slide that says Epic Books, and there's a little cute little student that's reading, and there's a little home button. And currently, when I click on it, nothing works. And in order for it to work, you need to go ahead and click on the image. So this is a little home button, and I'm going to go ahead and select this button right here that says Insert Link. And then I want it to be directed back to the home page. So I'm going to select slides in this presentation, and I'm going to select previous slide and select apply. And then for this one, it says Epic Books. I'm going to go ahead and highlight the text. And then I'm going to select that same icon that says insert link. And I want it directed to Epic. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this website. And then I'm going to copy it and paste it right here. Apply. And the great thing about Google Slides is you can change the font to your liking, and you can change the color. I'm going to go and do the same for this little picture. Same thing. I'm going to go over here and select that button that says Insert Link. I'm going to go ahead and paste the website, and I'm going to select Apply. So that way, if I go on View and Present, I could go ahead and click on it, and it's going to direct me to Epic. If I click on this, it's going to direct me right to Epic. And if I click on that home button, it's going to go backwards, right where it started. I'm going to select Exit. I'm going to go over another example right here for MobiMax. And same thing, I'm going to go ahead and highlight the text right here. And I'm going to select that button that says Insert Link. It's so smart. It already knows that I want to go to MobiMax, but I have it over here. I'm going to go ahead and copy the link and paste it and select Apply. And like I said, you could you can make the font smaller. You can make the font bigger. I'm going to change the font type. I'm going to change the font color. Let's change it to like this pretty green. And then I'm going to make this little icon into a hyperlink. So I'm going to go ahead and select that button that says Insert Link. Same thing. I'm going to go ahead and paste it and select Apply. And I'm going to do the same thing for this home. I'm going to select that button and slides in this presentation. I'm going to go to the slide 1 and select Apply. Same thing goes for this one, Scholastic News. I'm going to go ahead and highlight the text. I'm going to select that insert button, and I'm going to go over here and copy the link. Then I'm going to go down here and paste it and select Apply. And same thing goes over here with this image. I'm going to select Insert Link. I'm going to paste it. I'm going to select Apply. And I'm going to do the same for this little home. I'm going to go ahead and select that button, select slides in this presentation, go to the first slide. And I'm not going to even bother doing this one. I'm going to delete it. So I'm going to view the entire presentation. And so when I click on it, everything would be clickable. So for example, if I click on it, it'll direct me right to Scholastic News. Or if I click on this icon, it'll direct me right to Scholastic News. And if I click on this home button, it'll go back to where I first started. I hope you found this video to be useful.